This is the 2012 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4, and it has just over 105,000 kilometers on the odometer and has a 3.5-liter V6 engine under the hood. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, power locks, and power windows, with storage along the bottom of the door. You have your power controls there for the driver's seat, and your interior seating is a gray cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 105,327.2 kilometers. And over on the left-hand side, you have your dial for your headlights and dimming buttons for your gauges. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your controls for your display, along with your cruise controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your volume controls and your Bluetooth audio controls. In the middle here, you have your AM/FM radio, along with satellite radio, CD player, and USB and auxiliary in. You also have your backup camera in the rear view mirror there. Your climate controls below that, power outlet there, and your auxiliary in and USB port. You do have storage in there, your towing controls, and your 4x4 dial. You do have storage here up on top, and this also doubles as a middle bench seat. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. And on the exterior, you have your 18-inch tires on chrome alloy rims by Ford. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your XLT 4x4 trim there, your F-150 badge there. And this vehicle does feature remote engine start. So first you just want to make sure your vehicle is locked, and then you'll just hit the button twice on the key fob, and it'll start right up for you. And then to turn it off, you can just hit it once. And now we'll take a look at the truck bed here. You have your plastic liner here. Lots of cargo space for whatever you need to haul around. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back. You do have storage on each of the back of the seats. You do have a cubby for storage there, along with a power outlet. And as you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. So that is the 2012 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.